Trucker Steve here. February 2026, second week in the month. As everyone has, if you looked at YouTube, Facebook, etc., you know that Fmcsa is about to give out the final ruling on the non-domiciled CDL drivers, their final ruling. So, it's coming out soon, but hold on. There's litigation still going on in the courts. And if I'm correct, I believe the court case was brought on by a DACA driver, CDL driver that was a DACA, who came into the country at a very, very young age. And all they know is they grew up as living the U.S. dream through no fault of their own. And yet some of them are still not U.S. citizens, but they've been legally driving tractor trailers in the United States for many years. But I don't see in the Fmcsa final ruling that's ready to be put out, or what I read, that the DACA issue has been addressed. So DACA drivers are, what they hold is an employment authorization document. It's called EADS. And all I can say is this has to be addressed as soon as possible. I want to see something clear that their issues have been addressed, and hopefully in this court case, it will force the Fmcsa to address it, hopefully in the favor of the DACA drivers. Got to fix it now, not later. Also, a very good article came out from Charles Clayburn, Facts from the Cab. It's well said, doesn't put any rumors out. He is really, really good at doing this. He just lays it out calmly on his videos and on his Facebook site. I think he has a YouTube site, etc. But he lays it out very clearly. So I am just going to read one. It's a pretty long posting. Not real long, but pretty long. But one paragraph I'm going to read from that post. Charles Clayburn. Does not mean every non-domiciled driver is getting kicked out of the trucking industry. Doesn't mean immigration policy has suddenly changed. And it doesn't mean tomorrow you're going to see 1,000 of trucks parked because the drivers have disappeared overnight. Drivers who meet the standards and whose records check out are still eligible to drive. And that paragraph came from the Highway Fever, from the Cab, Facts from the Cab, I believe, Charles Clayburn. And if you have trouble finding the full post, you have to read the full post, just not the paragraph I just read to you. I posted it on my Facebook page, Roll On CDL Trucker. That's on Facebook. Roll On CDL Trucker. Check it out, read it, and leave your comments below on that Facebook site or on here if you read it. So, what is your opinion? Are you reading and hearing a lot of rumors out there? Some are very upset because they want every non-domicile off the road. Yes, some want that. It's a bad ruling because they all not put out. But yeah, sometimes you got to hold on, and it's got to be fair, because you do things that are not legal or very unfair treatment. You're treating one group one way, another group another way, and you're not doing it right, and you just do it in a rush job. Issues will come up, and court cases will come up. You got to do it right. Don't rush to judgment, and be careful in your views. And that's why I like to listen to someone like Charles Clayburn, if I'm saying the name right. That's why I like to listen and hear what he has to say, because he really, to my opinion, makes a lot of sense. See you in the next run. Be safe out there.